guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Lectric e-bike 2.0 long range. So here you have it. This is how it comes, disguised as a TV. I guess in a sense like if it's a TV in the box. What I do want to touch on is that I had ordered this bike on August 9th, 2022 and just received it today, which is the 24th. So it takes almost 2 weeks to come. To me, that was a little long, but hey, hopefully it's worth it. Let's get into it. I'm just gonna undo it, and this is a long range, and what I'm seeing is that this is a newer version where you can have about 65 miles range per hour. Let's get into it. It's a good price for struggle here. And it's also a foldable bike. This looks pretty good. So let's take it out and get it going. Okay. Heavy. It comes with, this is the charger piece that comes inside of it. Soon after the battery. And this is just blank cardboard that keeps in space. Okay, let's jump right into it. We're gonna jump into the charger. See how this is looking before we start untying all of the other stuff. Take it easy just in case the stuff doesn't work. Okay. Okay, owner's manual, Lectric XP 2.0. And this is the charger. Pretty nice size charger. Looks like an old school computer laptop charger. Not bad. It's deep power. You can see it. Pretty light. That's a good thing. Something you probably can carry around. And let's get the zip ties going. Let's see how this bad look. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out any of my other videos. I won't be able to take this out for a spin tonight because it's actually late, and I believe I'll have to let the battery charge for a good amount of time. Fast forward through this part. There's a whole lot of zip ties and stuff going on. Now it's back. Everything is off. Let's see, the keys come here, actually come on a blue zip tie. Everything else had white zip ties. And the battery looks like it's inside already. Not sure if it comes out, but I will figure this stuff out in a minute. Let's see. I'm not sure how to take the battery out as of right now. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to, this is the handlebars. Let's assemble this bike. There's a whole lot of clicking. Piece. Excuse me. Okay. As you see, it's a little bit more, I don't want to say complicated. so. I'm gonna put the kickstand down to the system. And this seems a little crooked. Let me see something here. Maybe I can adjust it myself. This seems a little crooked. Okay. That's not right. Okay. The seat is crooked. There you go. This is the bike. These are the fold pedals, which I will have to learn how to. There you go. And then I heard you push it in, and then you go to fold them back. Fold the pedals on both sides. Kickstand, color's good, condition's good. Yeah, it looks good. I don't see any damages on it. What I could say is this part looks a little crooked, but maybe that's just how it is. Overall, it's straight still. Let's see the light here. Let's see if we can turn it on. Where's the power button? Maybe it's not. I'll bring you a little bit closer so you guys can see. Leave some comments. Tell me what you think. This is a battery port, I believe, on this side. It feels nice. It feels good. So, I guess it doesn't come charged. That's the only thing. Here's the gear on the right. So far, so good. I like it. Let's cut these keys off. And maybe that will get it to turn on. Let's try. Just be real careful. You don't want to cut your bike up. Don't mess the paint up. Keys is pretty tight. Might scratch something. That part. It's really, really tight. From what I understand, the keys go at the bottom, which I don't really get that part. Let's see. It's down here at the bottom part, but there's something at the top. Okay, bear with me, YouTube. Let's get a little bit down and dirty. Cannot see. Okay. Key is inside. That's what the key is. If I was you guys, I'd just probably like keep one key there and keep the other one in the safe place, just in case. Okay, here we go. It's cutting on. Let's bring you guys a little bit closer so you can see. And pedals. Okay, it works. And it kind of is a little powerful, so be careful. It works. All right, I'm gonna bring you guys closer so you guys can see. So as you can see, so it does come charged. Has some type of juice in it. Keys is at the bottom. Seat looks pretty good. We just have to figure out how to turn these headlights on. I think this is a horn right here. Nope, this is the shifter gear. And there's a rear flash back here. A rear light already. And there's a front light. So Show the light button over there. This says open lock. I'm not sure what these things are, but I will figure it out. Like, subscribe. Thank you for checking me out. And see you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoy.